Hey, how would you like to get this sweet PowerPoint video template absolutely free? Just click the link to download your copy and then follow along with me in this tutorial as I show you how to modify it and make your own sweet video. Hi, I'm Lon Naylor from pptvideo.com, and this template comes from the AdImpress collection of PowerPoint video templates, ads, and graphic resources. Check them all out at the links below. After you download the template and extract the file, open up the PowerPoint file, and there will be an Enable Editing button around here somewhere. Just click that and we're ready to get started. The first thing I always do is go to File, Save As, browse to a location on your hard drive, and rename this so you don't screw up your master. This template deck has 10 slides and uses 8 images in it. The first slide is a title, and you can go in and just click on any of the text elements and change them, and of course click on any of the shapes and change colors, things like that. So all of that's pretty easy. What we'll probably want to do primarily is go in and change out the images to make our own slideshow video. Here's how we do that. I'll click on an image, and on the Format tab, open up the selection pane. You can see that it's a picture placeholder, and very importantly, I'm going to note where it is in the stack of layers in the selection pane. This happens to be third from the bottom. So with it selected, I'm just going to press the Delete key. Click on the icon to go find another image. I'm going to use my favorite slideshow subject, Maggie the Wonder Dog, and insert. When you delete a placeholder and replace it, notice that it puts it up at the top layer. So what we need to do is click on it and drag it down to that important third from bottom position. And then let's click the star icon to preview. And that is the basic process for modifying all the rest of the slides. Now, if there's slides that you don't want or don't need, you can trim this slide deck back if you like. Just either right-click on the slide and hide it, meaning it won't show up in your final video, or you can always just delete it. Let's close the selection pane. I'm going to go to the Animations tab and open up the Animations pane to make a quick point. One of the reasons this particular deck is so easy to modify is that there aren't a lot of exit animations at the bottom. So let's say, for example, I want this slide to stay on screen longer than the few seconds that it does by default. What we can do is go to the Transitions tab, and over here under the Advanced Slide setting, tell PowerPoint that I want this slide to advance after, let's say, 6 seconds, and press Enter. If you'd like to apply that timing setting to all the slides, you can go ahead and click Apply to All. In a lot of these templates, the slides move really fast, and if you'd like them to stay on screen longer, that's how you do it. And a couple other quick notes. Most of these are designed to be video ad templates. Well, in my case, I just wanted all the lovely design work and things like that to make a slideshow video. So I'm going to go ahead and click on some stuff here, like this price tag, and hold my Shift key, maybe even get rid of this, and just delete it. So you can delete elements that you don't want, and you can also move elements around if you like. When you're finished making all your modifications, just go to File, Export, Create Video, set the seconds spent on each slide to 0, and click Create Video. And because of a known bug in PowerPoint, I usually will hit this drop down and select Windows Media Video, or WMV file. There's a known bug in PowerPoint. Sometimes when rendering MP4 files, they get kind of glitchy. Click Save, and PowerPoint will kick out your awesome video. Like I mentioned, this slide comes from the AdImpress collection from Videoowide. I'm a big fan of their work. They do extremely nice design work, and this particular package comes loaded with all kinds of awesome video assets and graphics resources. In fact, like I say, I'm a big fan. It is a fairly massive bundle. They come in different aspect ratios for different social media platforms. And the design quality of these is just outstanding. I love these things. Be sure to check the page out and see all of the various assets and, again, beautifully designed work that you can quickly and easily modify to make your own video ads, slideshow videos, graphics banners, and all kinds of stuff. Really some exceptional work by these guys. And also be sure to check out all of the fast action bonuses that come with the package. Well, that's it for now. Be sure to check out all the AdImpress video templates. Enjoy your freebie, and I'll talk to you next time.